Oh man, that's not good. I like that battery. Damn, it's probably because of the damage actually. Been a minute. I haven't flown FPV for ages, it feels like. Months. It's definitely months. So this should be pretty interesting. So this is the rig. This is the EOS 5. I built this, put this together last year. It's been in various forms. There's loads of videos of me just hacking it through these woods behind here, which is just so much fun last year. But yeah, I'm not going to do anything like that today. I'm just going to try and get back into it. And as the same as last year, you can hear all the clay pigeon shooting, I think, going on from somewhere over there. Hopefully won't get shot down. So I'm being brave here. I've got the Hero 11 Black Mini on here, even though I haven't flown for a little while. I'm going straight in, full guns, get that on there, get some nice quality footage. It looks absolutely lovely out there. So yeah, let's go for it. So I've got my battery box here. Interestingly, one of the batteries has died. The rest of them have been all right. They've been stored, you know, at storage voltage throughout the summer. So yeah, one of them's gone. I think it was mainly because of the damage that was on it. I think that's basically the reason. These things don't just generally fail these days. They're pretty good. Right, let's get the controller. I'll tell you what, that shooting seems nearer than it was last year. Right, what should I go for? Let's warm up on an 1100. Needs a little bit of a fiddle getting this battery in with this GoPro and this drone. But at least you can kind of move the camera backwards and forwards and it's not going to loosen it too much. Get that balance lead tucked in there. Just get all this fired up. As normal, I don't trust the GoPro, so I'm gonna just check my angle. I'm gonna format the 03 in there, just so that I've got some backup footage if need be. I've checked all the props are on tight as well. I did that earlier just to make sure everything's okay. Yeah, right, so I can dive into the goggles then now. Oh, my old friend. I'm going to take off in acro. I'm still good for it. Let's go. Right, GoPro's recording. Both GoPros are recording. It was like zero wind earlier on. Right, we're armed and dangerous. Hey. Everything's still feeling pretty good. Low battery. It might be a little bit colder. See, this is mental. I've just snapped straight back into it. It's crazy, isn't it? I've done no flying at all. It's just crazy muscle memory. Right, just need to check my situation. I don't think anything's too awry with the old signal or anything like that. Antennas seem okay. It's mad, isn't it? I wasn't going to brave going underneath that, but it's kind of crazy. A little bit too confident. What's this? It's like a flag. I think the only thing that really goes is your smoothness. Like, you sort of lose your smoothness, and obviously some of your maneuvers and things like that, but it's kind of interesting, isn't it? Probably the precision, like I probably won't be able to, yeah, see, like I've completely just overcooked that. But proximity, proximity is alright. Whoa! Right, let's come back in with 3.5 volts of cell here, so this battery doesn't feel like the most punchy thing in the world, but hey ho. Right, let's see, are we still recording? Good, that's good. So yeah, not bad. Let's go for another little bit. Showing these green batteries, these always used to be pretty good. It's quite chilly out here actually. My hands are a little bit, from riding up here on the bike as well. I probably should have thought about that. Wore some gloves.
Telemetry recovered.
I've got this camera in like hyper wide mode or something, or hyper smooth, is it? Or I don't know. Anyway, it should be good. I do like this EOS though. It is a good bit of kit, even though I think the Nazgul does fly better, even though it's a bit heavier. Maybe that's the reason, I don't know. Yeah, my hands are getting a bit chilly actually. Right, we'll have one more little go. Nice. Right, another pack. Done and dusted. Cool. Oh, my camera's moved a little bit actually. That's going to be annoying. Yeah, absolutely loved that. That was such a blast. Definitely going to be doing some more FPV stuff, guys. What do you reckon? Right, it's absolutely freezing. Back on the bike. I'm going home. It's too cold out there.